Do you confuse the English words so and such? This video will explain the differences clearly with helpful examples so you can sound just like a native speaker. To learn this English grammar, let's look at the meanings of so and such. So is used to mean very, extremely, or to some high degree or level. Here's an example. Patricia is so nice. I really like talking to her. Such is used to show a high level of importance. Patricia is such a nice person. I really like talking to her. The meaning of so and such can be the same, but they are used with different kinds of words, different grammar. Both words are used to give more emphasis to an adjective or adverb, but the grammar is different. So is used with adjectives and adverbs by themselves. Such is used with adjective phrases. Adjective phrases are adjectives connected to nouns. So, I'm so hungry. When is dinner? This means I'm very hungry. Hungry is an adjective. I asked Greg to go to his favorite restaurant for lunch, but he said no. He must be so busy today. Busy is an adjective. Greg came in the lunchroom and ate his lunch so quickly. He was gone in just 5 minutes. Quickly is an adverb. I teach high school students. Sometimes they talk so quietly, it's hard to hear them. Quietly is an adverb. Such. We asked Greg to come over for dinner last Thursday, but he didn't have time. He is such a busy guy. This means Greg is a very busy person. The adjective busy plus the noun guy is an adjective phrase. I don't like to take road trips with Alex. He is such an angry driver. It's stressful to be in a car with him. This means Alex gets very angry when he drives. The adjective angry plus the noun driver is an adjective phrase. Grammar. Remember that singular countable nouns like guy and driver can't be used by themselves. He is such a busy guy is incorrect. The article a is needed here. He is such a busy guy. The article will come after such and before the adjective phrase. Alex is such an angry driver. Was this video easy to understand? Did you learn something new? Visit my So and Such blog post for more. Learn how so is used with the determiners much, many, little, and few. Learn how such is used with a noun to mean like that. Plus, learn to use the common English expression no such thing. The link to this blog post is in the description of this video. You can find lots of great English help at my free blog, worldenglishblog.com. Join my English newsletter to get new posts, videos, English PDFs, and more right in your inbox. You can click the card or find my newsletter link in the description of this post. Thanks for watching and have a great day.